Welcome to the RMail video training series. In this video, you will learn how to install the RMail app for Microsoft desktop version. The first thing you do is log on to the RMail website and then click on the Apps Marketplace. In the Apps Marketplace, you'll notice two versions of Microsoft Outlook. You have Outlook Desktop and Outlook Online. Click on the Desktop 2007 to 2016 version and it will bring you to the download page. If you scroll down, you'll notice there are 2-bit versions to install, 32-bit and 64-bit. It's important to know which version of Office you have. To find out what version of Microsoft Office you have, open up Outlook, click File, click Office Account, and About Outlook. You'll notice at the top, in my case, I have a 32-bit version of Microsoft Office. Now I can go back to the download page and click on 32-bit. Here you have two options. If I'm a new user and I would like to try out the RMail service, I can put in my first name and last name and email address, submit that, and it will bring me to the download page. For new and current customers, simply click the Download Now button and you will be brought to the download section. Here you'll notice two download buttons. On the right, you have the classic RMail version for customers who have been using the service since before 2017 and need to upgrade. And on the left, you have the all-new RMail for Outlook download button. This is for all new users or customers who've upgraded since April 2017. I click on the Download Now button, and I can click the Run button. Now you follow the simple install shield wizard, but before I start, I need to make sure Microsoft Outlook is closed. Now you follow the simple install shield wizard, and now you're done. I now open up Microsoft Outlook, and an account activation pop-up will appear. This is where I put in my name, and I put in a password for security. I press Next, and I'm almost done. Now I have to go into my inbox and click on the activation link to complete the registration process. The activation email has come in, so I'll open it up, click on the link, and now I am fully registered and able to use the RMail service. The page you're brought to has important information on guides, training, and support. Now when I go back into my Microsoft Outlook and compose a new email, I see a Send Registered button in the top left corner. The next time I send an email, I can compose the message and press the Send Registered button. A pop-up will appear with the features of RMail including Track and Prove, Encrypt, e-sign, large file transfer, and more. Simply make your selection and press the Send button. Thank you for learning how to download and install the RMail app for Microsoft Office Desktop.